Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have 10 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles in reverse, and 10 of Cups in reverse, Aquarius. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, you are working hard, putting in a lot of efforts, trying your best, but you are facing a lot of conflicts, lot of obstacles today. It may be in your work situation, and you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, guys. And however hard you are trying, you are not able to see the expected results. So your expectations are not coming true, or is not happening today. So some kind of difficulties, worries because of that, guys. And maybe in your situation, it may be in your relationship, or it may be in your career. You expect certain things from people. You are a really hard working person. You expect the people in your situation also to put in efforts like you, being responsible like you, but they are nothing like you. And you trusted certain people, but the way they are is not they have broken your trust or faith. So again, some kind of worries because of that. So things are not going as you planned for yourself. Maybe your future, regarding your future, maybe in some projects you have taken up some choices you have made. So things are not panning out just like you expected, guys. And also you feel really sad and stressed because of how things are going. So it may be in your work situation or in your relationship. So you had great faith and hopes, but all your faith and hopes have been squashed, or it has proved you wrong. So some kind of disappointments and worries because of that, guys. So let's see what is the situation. We'll pick one more card for your relationship. I just picked one card, guys. It is 10 of Pentacles. So looks like situation is good in your relationship, guys. There is nothing to worry in your relationship. Things are going as you had expected. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We picked one card. It is Chariot in reverse. So in your career situation, there may be some problems you are facing, guys. So these difficulties or disappointments are something to do in your career situation, guys. Aquarius, looks like your relationship is all right. Things are fine in your connection. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Aquarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aquarius, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now, for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So, in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something, and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person, deeply. You have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.